the news the other day. Some stuff happened, I'm afraid to say. I can't believe the world today. How can this be? Land of the free, home of the It's hard to tell real from the fake. When some folks lie with a straight face, how can we tell right from the wrong way? When will we finally see change? Everybody all over the world, every man, woman, boy, and girl, we all need love, more love.
Come on, take a stand. Grab your neighbor by the hand. Be good to your fellow man. Maybe we can start again. Come on, take a stand.